Okay. We are on live. Maybe. I think I will wait for some people before start. But let's share the live link. If it's working, please write it in the chat, please. Thank you. Maybe like this, or not. I don't know. It's better like this. Is there anyone? Okay. Two people. Please write it in the chat so I can know if there is anyone. Oh my god, YouTube. Okay. I think this is good. Okay. Great. I'm sharing the link on Instagram. What about my audio? It's good. Do you listen? A noise sound or something like this. Okay. So where is it? Okay. And one and two and three. No. Okay. Good. Now the swipe up GIF. Okay, like this one. And now let's copy link. Okay. So two person are watching this live. Two person. Am I one of these two? I don't know. Okay. So we're live. We're on live. Okay. So let's start to build the Mars website. I think I will divide this stream into two parts. I don't know if today we will finish the entire website, but of course we can build maybe the 60% of the website. I don't want to write too fast. I want to write slowly so everyone can understand. I'm not a teacher. I want to underline this. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a student who loves this branch of development. I love the web development, and I want to share my knowledge with you. So I forgot that the camera is here. Oh, that's a problem. Anyway. Okay. I think I've done everything. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. So everything is working. Oh. I just need to check if the live is great. Okay. I think the quality is great. What about the audio? Please. Why this echo? Oh wow. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. There was some echo because I didn't know about one. Okay, no problem. Anyway, so now it could work. It's working. Okay, it's working. Thank you, Hudson. Perfect. So let's start to build this website. Okay, here and here. I just want to tell you that here I've got the the Visual Studio Code, and here I've got the website. So this is the website. It's white because I didn't code anything. Here is the there is my webcam here. Anyway, on the top there is the title, but it doesn't meaning. Okay, so let's start to build this website. So the title, and I just need to, it's for, okay. My god. Okay, now the title. Here I've got some suggestion. Now we've got to link some CSS document because I will use them. I just want to show you. This is my Mars folder. Here is the index.html, and this is two folders. The vendors, where you can find the grid that helps me with the configuration. Okay, maybe when I will upload it on GitHub, you will be able to download it. And normalize that helps me with some default settings that I don't want to use. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So, vendors, okay, Mars resources. This is a super easy project. This is super easy. This is I use only CSS and HTML. Maybe the next time we will use some Sass and maybe some JavaScript. Anyway, resources. Yeah, this is there is the image PNG. Okay, and this is my style CSS folder. So let's start to build the website, really. So let's start to add this. Okay, I will probably write slow because my neck is like this. Okay, I haven't got the Visual Studio Code here, but here, because I've got some problem with OBS, so I need to keep it here. And my neck is crying. So why? Okay, no problem. Okay, normalize the grid, the style, and the media queries maybe in the second part. Okay. normalize. I don't know the shortcut here on. Okay. And I've got also the microphone in front of my my view, and that's a problem. Maybe if I do something like this, it could be better. Who's the sound? It's good? Maybe. Okay, so let's turn it. CSS grid. Okay, let's. Now this is resources. Resources CSS style. Okay, so we've got the title, the link, the meta. We don't need the meta because we will add the meta queries later. So body. Okay, so let's build the first section of this website. That's the header. I don't know. I haven't got. Okay, yeah, I have got an example. This is the header. I don't know if you can see it. This is the header. There is in each one. I don't know. Okay, each one, and this is the each one before. There is a link and some navigation. Super simple. Super simple. Hudson, do you mean the sound? Wow. The next time we'll care more about the sound. I'm sorry also for my English. Okay, so header. I guess some problem with this setup. Okay, maybe I've got an idea. Switch the. Okay, now it's good. Perfect header. Okay, now we just need okay, the nav, but we will add the nav later. We just have to add the logo. Let's add the logo. We will use. I think we will. It's better if we use a row. No, let's use a row for the nav. So let's use hnave. Nice. Yeah, because travel to is the after. And okay, so let's also add the no problem, Hudson. Let's add the button, the class. Okay, so start. We have to add the start button. Class button. We call the button general class button, and maybe button full. Oh, not full. It's so difficult to write and to code in this mode. Oh, come on. Sorry. What? Oh, sorry. Because I'm used to use Mac, so I use command when when I use these special characters, and that's a problem with Windows. Yeah, Mohammed. Yeah, there are many other methods to build this mass website. There are many other methods. If you think about the CSS, it's better also if you use the CSS grids or maybe also Flexbox. But today I want to use just HTML and CSS, and I want to use some easy knowledge for beginners, for anyone who's starting build a website. Anyway, so here is the HTML. Okay, so let's start nav. Oh, come on. Oh my god, I'm hating this setup right now. This okay, maybe it's better. So the nav, okay, and I can use the row because the row is here. The row and all the okay. So the class row, tack. And what? Oh no, this. Okay, here is the logo. Yeah. How I call it? Logo. Yeah. Source. I think it's sources. Maybe. Oh, come on, keyboard. Okay. So, nice moment. Alt Mars logo. My god. Okay, I think we had the logo. Okay, we added the logo. And then the navigation. So we can use an underline li and maybe in a href. Okay. Come on. Okay. What's the first? The aperture, the mission, about us. The aperture. The second is the mission. And oh, come on. Mission and about us. Okay. So let's taking it. Okay, perfect. So let's start to use some CSS because actually we've already coded the HTML, the header HTML skeleton style. Okay, so let's add some style. I think I will add some other, maybe not about the color. No, it doesn't mean. Okay. I love this color. And maybe also body. Yeah, maybe also body. Yeah. Today I want to use two what I've done. Today I want to use two font. The first is Lato and the second is Tomorrow. Yeah, it's Tomorrow because it's future. I like it. It's pretty good. Pretty good. But I forgot to link it here. It's a problem. My god, I don't remember this. Okay, no problem. I forgot it. I'm sorry. I have to copy all this. No, please. No, I can't copy this. I can't. So, copy this. Command C. And come on. Okay, then let's copy it here. No, please. Okay, it's working. Nice, thank you. Perfect. Now I need to log in here. 1, 2, and where is it? I couldn't paste it here, this code. Okay, so we can move on. Now I want to add the later. If the later doesn't work, the aerial. And if the aerial doesn't work, sans serif. What about the weight? Font weight, I choose 300. And what about the size? Font size 20 pixel. I like the 20 pixel font. Of course, text rendering. Optimize legibility. Okay, so background color and then some color. Of course, the white. Oh, I forget. Color. Now we want to use the 555. Okay, so now let's build something. Okay, I also forget to use these separators. I can use it here. General. Duck. Okay. And here, general information, and I want to add here some reusable, components. Okay. Some reusable components are like, hey Brian, each one, some headers, some, I don't know what's, some padding, some, also the tomorrow font with the class. We got a row, the section, box. Okay, we got a row here. So we need to add a width of 100% and then a margin, of course, to center it. So zero out. Okay. Row. Okay, perfect. Then section, we don't need section at this moment, and then some headings. Headings here. Headings. So what about the H1? I need to read here because I don't remember the font size, the font weight, and these type of things. And also, hey, to everyone who's watching this live. Anyway, font family, because I want to use here the tomorrow, and then if it doesn't work, tomorrow Arial, and then sans serif. Okay, font weight 700, font style. Okay, but I want to add the font size. Now I want to use the 600%. I don't want to use pixel. I will use percent in reference to this font size. Here, okay. I want a clear CSS document. Yeah. Font style italic. Okay, so good. Color, texture forms. Okay, maybe later. I want to add an H1 before. Oh, come on. Content. Travel to. What about the font size? It's 26% of this. And then no, 26 of the I don't remember. Font weight, and also this font style. Guys, this is my first live, so I'm a little bit emotional. I don't know how I can say it. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, let's add some black display, color, word spacing, and we've done it. Let's add color. Oh, but I need to add some background because it could be a problem. Yeah, I need to add the background because there could be some problems after. Okay, so header. Okay, header. I want height, of course, of 100 VUH. Perfect. And then I want to add a background image with a linear gradient. Okay, I need to copy it. I use RichedEngineer. Okay, then this is the opacity 0.7, and second, oh, I forgot something. No, yeah, I forgot something. This is the GPA 0.00. It's the black color with 8.7. Here is 0.8, and 25%, and then RGBA 0.00, and then I think it's 0.6. Yeah. Okay. So now I need to add. I'll do it here. URL. Background. Okay. Okay, but I want to modify the background. Background size, cover, and then background position center. Thank you. And then background at fixed. Perfect. Okay, it's working. I want to show you. The logo is too bigger, but we're going to modify it. Here is the background. Okay, here is the H1. This is the H1 before travel to, and this is the navigation. So let's modify the logo. Logo. I want a height of pixel width, of course. No. Okay. I'm sorry, man. How I can say your name? I can say Q's. It's your surname, right? And anyways, thank you for your subscribe. I don't know why the message is restricted. Let's try to use it again. I don't know. Anyway, of course I want margin top, and I want, of course, a float left. Here I want 10 pixel. It's 20. Yeah, it's better. It's better, and float left. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, margin top, perfect. Now I want to change the navigation, but I need to add a class here. Main nav. It's main nav, yeah. I think it's main nav. Main text box. It's main text box. Main nav is, oh, come on. Yeah, because here is the heading. Here is the h1. Here is class main nav. Okay, perfect. So perfect. What is front-end developer's responsibility? The front-end developer build them. I don't know how I can say it. The visible part of a website. Okay, so for example, here I'm working as a front-end developer. Okay, you will use HTML. It's the skeleton, the body of the website. You will use CSS that adds some style, and when you will become some more advanced, you will use SAS. Then JavaScript that connect every part of your website, and then if you want to learn more, you can use React Native, and many others. Anyway, the front end sectors build the visible part of a website. The backend developers build the behind the scenes of a website. We can say it using this mode. Anyway, thank you for subscribing, Hifi. So let's move on. Okay, so we got the logo. Now we have to modify the main nav. Margin left. Yeah, because we want the same margin of the logo. I think of course this style. Okay, style none. And then float, no, right. Oh, come on. Okay. I need to add some padding here. Isn't it? Some padding here and here and here. Okay, no problem. Display left. Now we are going to style this link. Okay, now I float this link to the right. Now I'm going to style them. So main nav li. Okay. How much? Okay, oops. This is margin top and this is 55 pixel, yeah. And then display. Line block. No. Yeah. Perfect. These are inline block. I want to show you if I use the block. For anyone who don't know, the if I add the property of display block here to a component, the component will use the entire width of the website. Oops, sorry. As you can see, the inline block is different. With an inline block, you can add some more property, and you don't need to You don't need to use the entire width. Hey Michele, hey, how are you, my friend Italian? Yeah, you're right, Hudson. Yeah, I can do more project like that. Sorry. I will do more project like that. So margin left display, no problem. Now I want to style the link. Yeah, because we have the link here. Okay. But perfect copy. And here visit it because I want it looks the same. Okay, everything is working. Font size, decoration, of course we don't want the decoration, we don't want some text on for. Okay, decoration, oh come on, I'm hating using Windows. Okay, thank you. Then some font size. Okay, how much? Perfect. And what about the color? Of course, white, some padding, some backface, visibility, of course, border, and transition. We will add some transition later. FFF and some padding, 9 pixel, 5, 10, 15 pixel. Thank you. How much for pixel? Perfect. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, this is uppercase. Yeah, I forgot it. Yeah, it's uppercase. It's uppercase now, but now I want to modify the H1 because, as you can see, now we've got this. We have to add some padding here and also here. Now we have to style this header and also this button. Header, these two, and then the button. Anyway, hello to everyone who's watching this live. Okay, now I want to modify my header. I also want to add two more reusable components because I don't want to do it later. Section padding, top and down, and then left and right. 0, 0, 0. Oh, perfect. We will use this later. Okay, so we got the H1. Now I'm going to add some color. Of course, it's FFF. So transfer uppercase, perfect, and of course text align to center, perfect. So let's add some letter spacing. I forget it. How much? 20 pixel. I like the letter spacing. I like to work with letter spacing. The spacing 20 pixel. Okay, perfect. I want this as a block because, as you can see, here is an inline block. Now that I change it to a block, it will use the entire width, as you can see. Perfect. Now I want to change, I want to add some code here. Oh, I also forgot here some code. Richard, you're forgetting your mind. Top 0. I don't want a margin top. And I also want a margin bottom of 20 pixel. Okay, perfect. I like it. So let's style the H1 before. Perfect, perfect. Color, some word spacing and some letter spacing. Okay. So color. It's CCC. This is UI design. I want to show you this trick. Here on the H1, that is the Mars, right, is FFF. It's the perfect white. Here on H1 before, so the travel to paragraph, we've got another color. It's CCC. If you see, it's not the perfect white, and I want to show you why. Here now it's FFF and FFF. These are both perfect white, and when you see this, you don't. What's the first thing that you? What's the first thing that you see here? Maybe travel, maybe Mars. But if I upload again, maybe in live you can see it maybe too much, but I can see it. Maybe I can use a better gray. Okay, maybe it's better. Okay, now this is white and this is gray. So your eyes, the first thing that your eyes will look. It's difficult to stream. It's difficult to stream. This is the first thing that your eyes will see, and this is the second thing that your eyes will see. It's difficult to stream, really. I'm sorry, guys. My English is not good in streaming. I'm a little bit emotion. This is my first stream. I'm sorry. Anyway, let's modify here some. Maybe I should. Thank you, Hudson. It's difficult to speak another language and at the same time coding. It's difficult, but I like it. So let's move on. Maybe I should talk a little bit less. Anyway, okay, I change here the color because I wanted a gray, more gray. Word spacing 8 pixel, and some letter spacing. Oh, come on. 14 pixel. Okay, perfect. Now you can see it. Now it's gray and here it's white. It's better because now you can see the Mars. The first thing that you see here is Mars. Then you can see also travel too, but the first thing that you see here is Mars. If you take a look at my last video about 7 steps to build the correct website, I talk about the structure. I think it's the second step. Yeah, you have to do many questions. First step. The second step is write down everything. So if you would watch, what images do you want to use? What font? What colors? Because you need to know what is the first thing that a user has to see. In this case, I want Mars, because if a user comes here in my web page, should see Mars. We are talking about Mars. Here Mars, here Mars. Also the color. Remember me, Mars. So I want the user know that we are talking about Mars. Sorry for my English. Okay, so let's move on with the header section. Okay, maybe we can style the link, hover, and of course I want to style this class. The main text box, because I don't like to see it in this style. No, this is a class. Oh, sorry. Okay, so with pixel margin, of course, margin 0 auto. I want it center, of course, text align, because I will use the button, and the button is inside this class main text. Yeah, it's the button, so I want it centered later. And of course I want to center it with the position absolute. Perfect. Top 50%. I'm hating Windows, guys. Left 20%. So transform, translate. No, it's minus 50% and minus 50%. Perfect. That's good. I want to. Okay. Oh, there's my webcam on my on the Mars logo. I'm sorry. Anyway, great position. Really great position, and there's some people. Main text box, perfect. Now I want to add some style here. This is hover. This is active. Perfect. How much? 2020. Okay. 255, 255. Again, 255 with some opacity. I like it. I want to show you. This is the hover effect. Sorry. Okay, but I forgot transition. Oh, no problem. Also, I like these particulars. Okay, perfect. So done, done, and done. Here we got the other, then we got another section. I just want to add it. Just perfect. What's the class of this section? Departure section, because the departure part. Okay, we've got here nav. I want to style it different. Okay, perfect. We've done everything perfect, I think. Hi, Adam. Perfect. I just want to watch if I forgot something. Perfect, perfect. Okay, no problem. Okay, okay, bye bye. Okay, see you. This button. Where's the padding? Okay, perfect. Oh, I think I forgot something. Yeah, I forgot something. Super, yeah. I think. No, it doesn't mean. I think I forgot the width. Come on, Richard. You're tired today. My God. Okay, now it's working. Now it's working. I just want to... Okay, it's working. As you can see, this is... here is it. This is a row. This is a row and I need it as 1140 pixel, not 100%. My mistake, sorry. Anyway, let's move on and let's... Oh, I forgot something again. Okay, no problem. So let's build the button. The button. But I want to use reusable components. Okay, perfect. Buttons. Okay. Button. Okay, now I need some padding. I don't know how much. I need to look. Top and bottom. left and right. Perfect. But I need because it's a link. It's a link. I don't want it as a link. Okay. Active. It's visited. Sorry. No. Super bigger. Of course, I don't want a border. Display as in line block. Okay, perfect. So, perfect. Now I want to show you. This is the button. Now I need to fill it. This is I styled the button, the general button class. Now I will style the button full of course link and button full of course visited. Perfect. I want a color and I want it as FFF, and I want background image because I want a linear gradient. It's a little bit difficult now, but df it's correct. Maybe. Okay. Okay. I think it's correct. Okay, perfect. I don't know why it's not working. Here we've got a problem, guys. Okay. Let's add the rest and then we can fix it. Hover and then button full active. Here is another background image. It's a little bit strange, guys. 5. I don't know why there is so much opacity. I also want to change it as a default because I don't like this gray. This is F825C. think we've got a problem, guys. So let's fix it. Okay. I don't know why there is this problem. I've never seen this problem. Never ever. Because here I can use the color. It's image. Why? Okay guys, we've got a problem. We have to fix it because the button doesn't work and it's a problem. We will probably fix it and then we will probably finish the live. I didn't know how many times. We need many time to build this website. It's not difficult, but it's difficult to code and speak at the same time. And when this problem comes, it's difficult. I don't know why. What I did here. Anyone can know what I did here? Oh my god. I forgot this. No. I forgot this, but it doesn't work anyway. Margin, text align, text absolute. Display as a block. I don't know why. It's strange. It is really strange. And there are also CSS. also forgot this here. I don't know why there is an error, but I don't know why and where. What's the problem? There's so opacity. Okay, we don't need it. We don't need it. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay guys, we've got a problem and I don't know what's coming. There is a big problem. Just want to make an example. For example, okay, why it's working now? And I also forgot this. It's working, so the problem is here. I don't know why. I've never seen this problem. The problem is here. Richard, I forgot this. I forgot the comma. Come on. Now it's working. Here you can see it's working. Just wait. Okay. Here we've got a logo. Here we've got a navigation link. Here we've got a heading. This is the H1 and okay, H1. This is the before. H1, this and before. And then the button that doesn't work. Didn't work, sorry. Because there was some problem. Because I forgot a comma here. Come on, really? I forgot this comma. Okay. Anyway, we've done the header. I don't know if we've got time to build also the departure. Maybe yes. Maybe I will talk a little bit less, and I will code the header. The departure part. That is here. So let's go. Now, I want to build it now and I want to do it faster. Sorry, because here usually I use a paragraph, but here I want a block quote, but I want the same class. That's long graph. Okay. Okay. And now here I want to add another row. Perfect. Alt. Shuttle chew. You will understand what is shuttle chew. It's funny. Okay. Now I will use one of these classes here. Sorry. Span 1 of 2, because span 1 of 2 is a column. It's like there is 2 columns in the total width of a website, and span 1 of 2 is just 1. Okay, as you can see, the width is the half of this. It's a little bit less. Anyway, col, because it's your column. Okay, and col, sorry, span 1 of 2. Now I want a paragraph. Here I want the tomorrow font, but I need to paste it here, the text, and it's a problem because I didn't prepared it. Anyway, let's move on. Merge. And I want it my god, I forgot to switch. I forgot to switch. This is my first live ever, and it's the worst ever. Anyway, we all have to learn from our mistakes. Okay, now I need some code here, no problem. We will paste it and we'll copy and paste it here. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Block quote is too huge, so I need to copy and paste it. Okay, so section. Okay. Okay, so perfect, nice. Perfect. We've got the strong, this is bold, this is italic. Okay, this side, strong, okay, perfect. Super perfect. Now I need to style it, but before everything, I need to style the header. Yeah, I need to style the header, the H2, because here I've got the H2. I've got section, but I've got also the H2. So H1, I think I will add the H2 here. H2, font weight 300, and text transform uppercase. Perfect. This is H2 and H3 because I will use it later. But now I want to style more about the H2 font size. I want the font size as 180%, and I want text line as center, and word spacing 2 pixel, and letter spacing 1 pixel. Perfect. Okay, so it's a spacing and margin bottom 30 pixel, because I want to add a line after the H2 after content, and of course I don't want anything. What about the width? Maybe later, because I should ground color. I want a clean code. FF 7675. It's not any. It's okay. Height. The height is 2 pixel, and the width probably is 100 pixel. Yeah, I want to center it, some margin, and of course display. I need to center it, so margin 0 auto, and some margin top 30 pixel, and display as a block. Perfect. I just want to show you what I've done. This is the H2. This is the H2. Sorry. This line is the H2 after. H2 after. There is a line. And here is the paragraph, and I want to customize it. Long paragraph. I want a line height that is a little bit bigger, maybe 120%, and margin bottom 6 pixel. Okay, what about the span? What about the span here? Because I've got a long paragraph, I've got the span here, and I need to style it. Of course, I don't want any border. Solid. I want it transparent right now. I want span over. Color. I think I will choose the same. Now I want a border. Solid. Perfect. Sorry. Bottom. Just an underline. Bottom. Perfect. I just want to show you what I've done. Here is in over and in over. So let's move on with this part, with the shuttle part and the text here. So blah 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 blah. Okay, so now I will probably need one more of these. Okay. I just need to style this photo. So let's shuttle box with this image. Sorry, I've got the width shuttle box. I haven't got the shuttle box. Okay, I forgot it here. Shuttle box, because it's another class where we'll say the will contain. So I want it align, text align, center, of course, and this I will use this later because now I need to position it with an absolute position with of 40%, and now I want to position absolute top one left 22%. Perfect. Sorry, this is for the other one. I don't know why it's so bigger. Why it's so big? It's too bigger. Here we go, shuttle box. Just wait, Oh, okay. I forgot something. Yeah, I forgot something. Class. Span 1 of 2 shuttle box. Okay, now it's working. And now I also need to style this again. I want to style the shuttle to with the width of 20%. Absolute at the top minus 18.8%, and from left 22%. Translate, because I need to translate it with 50% and 50%. Great. This is relative for this one. Perfect. But now I want it visible hidden, because I don't want to show. Perfect. So every time I move cursor on the shuttle box, if I want, shuttle to visibility visible. Okay, perfect. I just want to show you when I come in over here, the shuttle 2 is come out. Okay, so let's move on with more code. We just have got some, I don't know, 30 rows of code, not so much. Now we have to code the text that is here. I need to code this one, and maybe not this one, just with this one. I need to code this one. I need to style, this one. Anyway, I just want to use it. Where is perfect? I will use it again later, and for this reason, font family. Oh, come on. Font family. I wanted the tomorrow font. Where is it? Okay. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now I want departure date. Departure date. Font size Font size, font weight. Okay. Let spacing 3 pixel, and now word spacing here of 10 pixel. Okay, perfect. Word spacing of 10 pixel with a color. What's a color? RGBA 50 50 50. Okay, and some margin bottom. So margin bottom, for example, 40 pixel. It's enough. Okay, it's enough. I just want to show you. Perfect. Now I just need to add this one, and then we finish. Okay, perfect. So departure date, just need to departure date span, font weight 700. Better, really better. 700, and border radius of 2 pixels, solid RGBA. Right. Perfect. Sorry. Okay, now I've got the ear underline. Perfect. Now I just want to show. I just want to style. Sorry, the departure paragraph. The departure paragraph. Okay, with the width of a little bit more than normal. Okay. Departure paragraph, and then departure section. Block quote before, because I want to add some more style, but I will add it here. Perfect content. What's the code here? It's okay. Perfect. I added this simple character. Okay, and now I'm styling it. So perfect. Now I should increase the font size to 250%, and maybe the font weight. How much? Font weight 400. Okay, changed. Font weight, display inline block, and margin right of 3 pixel, because now I want a little bit margin here. Perfect. Okay, we've done everything. We've done the first header, the first section. This is the header part. As you can see, there is hover, logo, H1 before H1. Yeah, this is the departure section. There is the before long paragraph. Here is the what's another paragraph? Yeah, and there is another paragraph. I think I've done everything. Yeah. The following the following section, the next time. So the first part of this live is ending, and I want to thank you everyone who watched this live and who watched this live. It was a little bit difficult to write code and code at the same time. This is my first time ever with live and code at the same time. As I said, I'm not a teacher. I don't want to teach how to code. I want to share what I learned and my experiences and these feelings. So that's it, and see you.